Kit and pit. Kit. Kit is a noun that can refer to a set of tools, equipment, or supplies needed for a specific purpose. It can also mean a small container or case for holding such items. Examples: she packed her painting kit before heading to the art class. The camping kit included a tent, sleeping bag, and cooking utensils. Pit. Pit can be a noun with various meanings, but one common definition is a large hole or depression in the ground. It can also refer to a hard seed or stone found inside some fruits. Examples: the miners descended into the pit to extract coal. She accidentally bit into a cherry pit while eating the fruit. Differences. One key difference between kit and pit is their primary usage and context. Kit typically relates to a collection of items or tools, while pit often refers to a hole or seed. Additionally, kit is more commonly used in everyday language, such as when talking about assembling or using tools, whereas pit tends to be used in more specific contexts like mining or fruit consumption. Despite these differences, both words are monosyllabic and have a short, sharp sound, making them distinct and easily recognizable in speech.